The upcoming Google Pixel 8 could come with a powerful Galaxy S23-rivaling feature. Over the last couple of generations, Google has been slowly but steadily adapting Pixel lineup to support more and more advanced use cases and features. Devices like the Pixel Fold and Pixel Tablet provide more versatility than ever inside the Pixel family, and Google isn't stopping there. As we've already revealed, the upcoming Pixel 8 lineup is set to receive a more performant Tensor G3 cell, modern camera sensors, and brand new displays, among other things, which should all appeal to power users. Now, thanks to a source inside Google, we can reveal another long-awaited advanced feature that's finally coming to Pixels. Support for USB DisplayPort alternate mode is heading to the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. Samsung has long supported a feature called DeX that allows top Galaxy phones to connect to a big screen, and Google might be working on something similar for the forthcoming Pixel 8 lineup. Leaker Camilo Wojciechowska has learned from a Google insider that the Pixel 8 will support the USB DisplayPort alternate mode, which is also known as DisplayPort over Type-C. Previously, RCA connectors or HDMI cables were required to connect to a large screen, but DisplayPort over USB-C allows slimmer devices like smartphones to transmit content to a monitor or TV. The capability to cast content on a monitor would turn the Pixel 8 into a desktop replacement of sorts. Sure, it won't be powerful enough to replace your computer, but given that you will probably be able to use a keyboard and a mouse as well, it will surely help you get some light productivity work done. In addition to Samsung, Motorola mid-tier and flagship phones also have a desktop mode called Ready For. Raman previously revealed that the Android 14 beta has support for the USB DisplayPort alternate mode, which is all the more evidence that the Pixel 8 will support it. Whether other Android phones eligible for Android 14, including current Pixel phones, will also get a display mode remains to be seen. It doesn't seem likely, though, as the mode will only work on devices that properly support the mode. Two devices other than the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro that could get the desktop model are the Pixel Tablet and Pixel Fold, though no concrete evidence exists to support this speculation. Besides, the Pixel desktop mode allegedly still needs a lot of work, so the feature will probably debut on the Pixel 8 Duo, which is expected to be revealed in October. So how do you like this new Google DisplayPort alternate mode on upcoming Pixel lineup? Let us know your valuable thoughts below in the comments section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.